We are tackling this coat closet today. And guys, it gets a little bit worse. There's all this stuff behind the coats. Wow. So I'm having a gathering at my house tomorrow, and it's much needed time and the perfect time to get this closet all cleaned out. So, step 1, clean out the closet. Step 1, halfway completed. So this is with all the coats out. And as you can see, there's a ton of stuff behind it. So next is to remove all that stuff. Alright. That's everything out. And this is everything that came out of it. All of our coats over there. A lot of this stuff we're going to be donating, getting rid of, reselling, like some of these nicer leather bags. A lot of stuff, get rid of a lot of stuff that just didn't belong in here, and a lot of it was just trash. So I shot my home and I found these 2 bins and baskets. So this green bin was a Dollar Tree one that I found, and I put our hats and gloves in there so that way we don't lose it, and my husband always knows where his hats are. And I was able to find some leftover labels that I have, these chalkboard labels that were from the Dollar Tree, and I put them on there to label them. And then this wicker basket was perfect for all of my giant blanket scarves. And then I just used this chalkboard label that I had left over from my linen closet organization makeover from a few years ago. And I just used a chalk pen as well. Those were originally from Target. Now, the fact that our coat closet has double bars and then alcove, I was able to first I was able to go through and purge a lot of coats that weren't wearing anymore so that I could donate them, and I was able to kind of pare down on what we have. These are all of my shorter coats that don't go longer than that, so I keep them back here. And then these coats on this side are my husband's coat. He also was able to purge some of his coats as well. And then we do have one hook here, another hook in the back, but this one I just used to put a little tote bag, so if I'm going out I need a little tote bag, it's right there. And I was also able to find our umbrella, so I hung this right up here in case, you know, it's inclement rainy weather, we can just grab those. And then these 2 coats are our longer coats and jackets, we just keep those here. And now I have tons of space for company coats, or when we have guests over. So that's gonna be perfect for tomorrow, and all my friends that are coming over, they can put their coats in there. And I was even thinking that I might even put some of my boots in here that I don't want to have out by the door, but I'm not sure. But I'm really, really happy. It didn't take too long, and I just want to show you guys all of the stuff that we were able to kind of purge out of this closet. Okay, so basically we have 3 trash bags, a box, and those items there are all going to be donated. Some of these things are just things that we don't use anymore, or you really have no need for it, just pared down. So those are all things that we're going to be getting rid of. These 2 have all of our coats and some work bag, messenger's bag, leather bags that we don't use anymore, so we're going to donate those, along with some other miscellaneous stuff that were in there. And then this bag is just some trash, 2 bags of trash, 3 bags of donations, a box, and some other things. And then a lot of things are going to get rehomed, like our son's pack and play accessories. We're going to probably store that in the basement with the rest of the baby stuff. But yeah, super easy. I hope this video gets you guys motivated to go tackle a messy closet in your home. And I hope that these are great tips to help you declutter and organize your coat closet. It doesn't have to cost you any money. You can just use what you already have, shop your home, and you can have a nice and organized space. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and bell to get notified when I post new videos. You guys really seem to like my organization videos, and I'm going to try and do more this year in 2018 to get my home more organized and to declutter. So if you want to join me on this journey, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up this video, and as always, I will see you guys next time.